The first tab of the Alerts page is the Alert History. This page provides a log of all alerts generated by vehicles in the account for the selected time frame. The alert history can be searched or filtered. It can also be modified using the vehicle or date range quick filters. View all the displayed alerts on a map by clicking the map icon. Customize the information displayed in the grid using the columns icon. Export the alert history as a CSV file by clicking the export icon. Click the Coaching Event Action button to create a driver coaching event for that alert. For alerts generated by an AI camera, click the alert type link to watch the video for the alert. The driver coaching page provides a log of driver behavior events flagged for coaching, helping managers track and manage coaching sessions. Events are added using the Coaching Event Action button on the Alert History page. Each event progresses through a life cycle from pending to completed. The coaching events grid can be searched or filtered. It can also be adjusted using the vehicle or coaching status quick filters. The currently displayed events can be viewed on a map or exported as a CSV file. Use the action buttons to mark a coaching event as completed or to delete it from the list. The recipients page lists individuals who have been configured to receive alert notifications. The recipients grid can be searched or filtered. Click the Add button to create a new recipient. Complete all the required fields and then click the Save button. Use the action buttons to edit or delete a recipient. Note that new recipients must confirm their email address or cell number before they can receive alert notifications. Until confirmed, the recipient will be marked as unconfirmed in the grid. Click the Alert Settings drop-down to view and create alerts. To learn more about a specific alert type, click on the alert in the list and then open the Help window. The information in the Help window will explain exactly how the alert functions and when it should be used. Click the Add button to create a new alert. Complete all the required fields and then click the Save button. Use the action buttons to edit or delete an alert.